It's raining. Say hi to my vlog.
Ano lang po, ang executive orientation lang naman po ngayon. At tomorrow po yung actual training.
Ayan, so that's our agenda. We're gonna have today the executive briefing, the overview, and what? The user enrollment. Yeah, so here's Miss Mao. We have here from our technical team, Miss Anne. And then here with me for her mass implementation is Erica. So we're gonna work here. Ayan. So ayan po yung view namin. Ayan po yung view namin. Ang ganda-ganda. Meron Hi guys, day 1 accomplished. Accomplished. So what are you gonna say with our day 1? Hi Miss Anne. So pretty here. Guys, what is that? Anong klaseng bird yan? Tingnan niyo, hindi siya gumagalaw. It's one done.
Paranoid na siya. No, paranoid.
So here's the view. Mga isda. Ayun o, may mga chikiting sila. Ganun. Tapos biglang nandyan yung barag. There's a cute, what do you call that? The birdie. Meron din dito, birdie. Hello, Anne.
Bato lang.
Be. Hi! Kapagal mo datang.
Sakbalan din.
Kirby.
Potato corner.
Yes! Sasunod naman ang gusto niya. Ala, nadamay pa kami. Children's. Tama ba yan? Bira ka ng bira. Di ba? Hati tayo dyan.
Obe, hati tayo.
Yuck!
Nagsandal ako.
Tapos na po yung lunch namin. Te. So we're done with inventory management module. Tomorrow, she's gonna lead the training now with bookkeeping. And here's the view.
I love the view.
May tatlong baby ako nakita. Ang ganda ng pagkaan.
Usapan nyo.
Pagkain.
Ah! Oh, wala nga. A rainy morning and the mountains are hidden from the fog. So here's our trainer for today. So it's Sunday, no day off. But yeah, we'll still do our best. Let's do this. Hi guys, it's Sunday and we're still working. Dang bibi, makasakala. Ano ni pura nga lumbibi. Ay, talong bibi, kung nakita tatlong frizzy hairs ang bibi. So hi! We're just walking around and just checking the whole property. Actually, we've been here for already 6 days. But this is the first time that ano no, like we got the chance to roam around. So, yeah, here's the property. Say hi guys. Annyeonghaseyo. Yeah. Because most of their guests here are Koreans, no? Like there are a lot of Korean guests. Yes, it's so cold. Paano yung lamig, guys? Paano yung lamig? Yeah. Guys, that's the gym, but I don't have the time for physical activities. They have pool here. No, it's the place is giving. So look. Oh, Can I step here ba? Or bawal? Keep off the grass. Look, oh, they have like man-made lakes or pond or whatsoever. Ayan sila.
So, chocolate hills.
It's actually cute here.
Baka ginagawa is naglalakad sila doon.
Ayan o. So, ayan. Ganda ng grass. Say hi, fellas. Hi. Guys, anong masasabi nyo? Malilibre ba kami sa Lunes ng samgyupsal ni Ma'am Mau o hindi? O ano daw? Sagot ka, anong sa tingin mo?
Yes.
Yes! Guys, bali, makakarinig gagawin may Kenny. Although daw kami kung piyatad sunduking kitang pitok nangan, minam palang kalapit. Wala na ano kami kung kaya mga kapalalupa. So yeah, it feels magical. So here's the place. It's maganda, no? Wow! Go, Mau! Oh, bakit ayaw niyang bumaba? Hello, it's January 12 today of 2025. But there's a possibility that I will be posting this one 2026. I don't know why. Ganun ako katamad. Yun lang. Hope you like this video. Saan tayo? We're staying sa Tangile. Tangile Suites. Yeah. Buti nga. Alam ba?
It might not be perfect para kaya pero parang aliba perfect eh. So, ninano nga din kakini, na parang kaya ka ali perfect, pero parang aliba, perfect na isa ka rin.
Ali!
Tukoy mo!
Good morning, Miss Anne! Ayan. So here's our project leader, Maureen Mandaga from the red corner. So we're just preparing and we're waiting for the others to join us. So prepared na dito yung Hermes accounting system and then dito naman is yung Senia. So they only have two systems here and integrated yung dalawa and we're gonna simulate that today. Thank you! Another successful system simulation. Successful! So, ayan. Tig 25 pesos na po ang animal feeding. Ayan, mamaya ko na papapakainin itong tatlong to. Meron pa naman. Kaso yung pinaka, parang clear talaga siya. Itong 5. Pero meron pa yan. Try natin. Guys, ayan siya. Pero, hindi na siya clear. Parang nag-grainy na siya. Pero kung 5 lang siya, parang walang greens. Ayun siya. Ayan, oh, there's a lot of birds. And we're just walking. So, that's the Tangile Suites. So, dyan po kami naka-stay. So, ayan po yung mga friendly natin. Super asikaso ng BPI credit card. Actually, yung goal lang talaga nila dyan is makuha yung mga freebies. Ayun siya. Ayan. May model tayo dito. Ano daw yung mga minomodel na? Ay, yes. Tsaka, masaya ka naman sa nangyari. Hi! So we're here at Starbucks because today is what today's day? What?
January 13.
And it's the date where I went. I don't. Itigil na natin. Look, coffee jelly. What's yours, Sisi ko?
Java chip.
Ay, JavaScript daw, sis.
Dito mo naman.
Oh, you.
Dark mocha.
Dark mocha. Pero musta na kaya si Mocha Uson, no? Nawala yun, no? Bakit mo ako binibidyohan?
Oh, talaga ba?
Yan po ang aming mga pinamili. Ayan kami, nagbayad na po kami. Ay, tumatakbo si ate. Guys, bigla na lang may cut sa labas. Oh. Ang ganda-ganda nga niya. 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 Ang ganda-ganda nga It's cut distribution theory. Ibang pusi pala yun.
Ang cute!
Ayan po, nanonood kami ng
Wrestling.
Physical 100. Ang apat. So, ang kulang po natin for tonight ay Mang Inasal po. Ayan siya. Ayan, meron kami jigs dito. Tubig. So, ayan po ang pinagkakabalahan nila. Ayan. So, sa mga trainees po kasi, alas 12 na po na ating gabi. Yeah, 12:07 guys. Time check, 12:07 na. Ayan. Good morning! It's Go Live! At ano bang ginagawa pag Go Live? Ayun nga. Age 5. Bakit na?
Palagay niyo babae kid.
Di ba mga pika ko? Hining babae. Coffee po tayo. Tignan niyo po yung peacock. Nakabuka. Wow. Thank you, Miss Sally. Si Mau po ay nasa accounting office. Hindi ko din po alam bakit siya andito. Ah, cute. Cute siya. Hala, baka bating ka niya. Ano laki? Uy.
Diba? White lang, ma'am. O taga.
Nandun na chok yung CR. Kaya rin kung minimin, nilawak yung salamin. Perfect. Guys, so good. So we're finally here. Very good ka. May ice cream ka. Iba na talaga ang mga mayayaman, bumibili ng phone sa deployments. So it's the second to the left. To the left. To the left. Everybody else, to the left. Ayan po tayo, imimix po natin ang Jinro, Pro Yo-Yo at ang Skin White Papaya Milk.
Paano? Pagkalimbawa, gusto namin.
Guys, tingin kayo dito, ang kit-kit yung tatlo. Hi! Masaya na sila kasi. Ganda! So, iba po yung kulay ngayon ng bundok. This is my face sa last one whole day namin po rito.
Grabe yung bilis na kami ng
Lami Batangas. While watch. Nagsisisid ba yan? Sige po. No, tignan mo siya. Hello sa medrep nating Franny. Ayan, mamaya pa yung duty niya. Finally, we're going home.
Yan na!
Stop over po kami para kumain. Ay, ang ganda naman! Tingnan, maganda nga. Maganda yung lighting. Ayan, bumili po kami sa KFC. Thank you, Mount Malara. Yan. Hindi kasi diba hindi naman si Mount Malara yung client natin. AFT. Thank you, AFT Property Management Incorporated. Binuo. Hello guys, we're back. Did you miss this? Welcome back to my channel. Yan, pauwi na po kami. I'm very, very excited. Si Maura mahilig po yung kumain, pero hindi niya inuubos.